Technology trends in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Hello everyone. Here we come with an exciting and brand new video in which we will talk about technology trends in artificial intelligence and machine learning. First of all, be sure to subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative videos. In general, the core of artificial intelligence is the use of computers and other technologies to solve problems and make decisions in a fashion that closely resembles the skills of the human mind. A computer scientist at Stanford University named John McCarthy offers a more precise meaning of the phrase. Making intelligent devices, particularly intelligent computer programs, is a scientific and engineering endeavor. Although it is related to the related job of utilizing computers to comprehend human intellect, AI should not be limited to techniques that can be observed by biological means. AI and computer science have given rise to a popular technique known as machine learning, or ML. Machine learning, as opposed to AI in general, focuses more explicitly on using data and algorithms to simulate human learning and gradually increase accuracy. Models for natural language processing. NLP is a processing method that makes use of AI and ML to help computers comprehend spoken and written language similarly to humans. Machine learning, deep learning, and statistical learning models are used in NLP models to describe the rule-based modeling of human language. Therefore, computers can process human language in written or audio form and comprehend both the meaning of the phrase as well as the speaker's or writer's intent and sentiment. More specifically, named entity recognition is a method used by NLP models to detect named entities and transform unstructured data into a structured representation. Tokenization, stemming, and lemmatization, which look at the root forms of words to, for example, identify verb tenses, are other steps in this process that assist discover word patterns. Scientists have created a variety of natural language processing applications by combining subtechniques such as speech recognition, speech tagging, word sense disambiguation, named entity recognition, NEM, coreference resolution, and sentiment analysis. Several instances include: spam detection is the process of filtering spam emails by looking for language that is frequently used in phishing and scam attempts, such as excessive use of financial jargon, needless urgency, poor grammar, etc. As Google Translate has shown, machine translation necessitates a sophisticated comprehension of contextual meaning rather than just simple word replacement. Virtual agents and chatbots. Virtual agents include the likes of Google Assistant, Apple's Siri, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung's Bixby, while chatbots are frequently used by businesses as a more affordable alternative to human customer service representatives. Using NLP as a technique for social media sentiment analysis, organizations can uncover hidden information by comprehending the emotions and attitudes expressed in social media posts. Text summarization is the process of breaking down vast amounts of text to provide synopses and summaries for indexes and research databases. mHealth apps. A subset of telehealth, or technologies and methodologies for remote care, including remote patient monitoring, RPM, which makes use of mobile technology to advance health goals, is mHealth apps. Consumer applications for mobile devices, which frequently do not include actual clinicians, are the main source of power for mHealth, a field of technology that has risen significantly. Due to the accessibility and convenience of mobile devices, these applications have become more and more popular. They propose the idea of mobile self-care, in which consumers collect their health data without the help, interpretation, or involvement of a physician. While mHealth apps initially started as straightforward tools for tracking and documenting patient status, recent advancements in technology have resulted in the addition of AI and ML, greatly enhancing their functionality. Through AI algorithms, sensor technology, and advanced data analytics, mobile consumer devices have been transformed into health management platforms, significantly advancing the potential of mobile health and making it more widely available. AI technology is being utilized in mHealth and healthcare trends generally to analyze vast amounts of patient data, identify diseases more precisely, and improve disease surveillance. Additionally, it can increase the knowledge and skills of healthcare personnel, as well as their productivity. The most useful applications of AI are in clinical decision support and information management, and these areas have already shown promise for enhancing patient and healthcare provider care. Technology trends within the Internet of Things, IoT. The term Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the trending technology that connects any object or device to the Internet or other connected devices utilizing various microsensors and processors. IoT is an enormous network of interconnected objects, all of which gather data that may later be shared. These details may relate to the setting in which these gadgets are used or to their usage patterns. In essence, sensors-equipped devices and items are linked to an IoT platform, which integrates the gathered data and runs analytics on it. IoT platforms that are deployed locally or in the cloud can pick out a particular data, process the most crucial information that any device or application consumes, and then transfer the processed data to the IoT network apps that cater to specific demands. These programs use the data to identify a variety of repeating patterns, suggest optimization strategies, or identify potential issues or abnormalities before they arise. Digital twin. One of the newest technological trends is called a digital twin, which makes extensive use of IoT networks and devices to collect data for analyzing and anticipating a physical asset's performance characteristics and informing on the adjustments that need to be made to improve it. By realistically simulating a process, product, or service, digital twin frameworks help to bridge the physical and digital worlds. As a result, it examines items that have a variety of sensors that generate information about many facets of their performance, including status, position, energy output, working circumstances, and more. A digital twin also gathers data and transfers it to a processing system, most frequently a cloud-based one, similar to the general idea of IoT technology. By analyzing data that is relevant to a given environment and applying it to a digital replica of the observed object, the digital twin technique differs from its parent technology. The virtual model, digital twin, can be used to run simulations, investigate performance problems, and produce potential improvements once it has been filled with the relevant data. All of these activities can produce insightful results that can be applied to the actual physical product. Particularly in the fields of manufacturing, energy production, healthcare, the automobile sector, smart cities, etc., digital twins are now commonplace. Applications for digital twins in manufacturing include product design, quality management, process optimization, supply chain management, predictive maintenance, and asset lifecycle management. All of these applications aim to enhance manufacturing operations. On the other hand, using digital twins in the automotive sector can streamline and improve the development, production, sales, and service of vehicles. The smart grid. Electrical networks that have operational and energy efficiency measures incorporated are referred to as smart grids. They rely on the Internet of Things, IoT, network and IoT-capable gadgets like smart distribution boards, circuit breakers, and improved metering infrastructure. Additionally, they serve as energy supplies that are renewable and efficient, capable of charging batteries for EVs and power storage, and provide a reliable broadband connection with wireless access as a backup. Data flow and information management are essential components of smart grid technologies, since digital processing and communications, which are both fundamental IoT technology aspects, are at their core. Modern power infrastructure must have increased throughput and stability in addition to the additional digital layer to work with consumer/producer users. Innovative smart grid technologies make it possible for users to send electricity back into the grid using either battery power storage systems or small-scale electrical producers like solar and wind turbines, blurring the distinction between suppliers and consumers. Since the notion of smart grids is such that it interweaves the electrical suppliers, which can be privately held or government facilities, enterprise consumers, and residential consumers, it is impossible to distinguish between applications for smart grids. This means that depending on the sector of the network in question, smart grids operate as a combination of all three rather than discretely on a B2B, B2G, or B2C basis. Big data patterns. Big data is a broad word that generally refers to data that embodies the three verses of big data: greater variety, larger volume, and greater velocity. Larger and more sophisticated datasets are made available by big data trends, especially when using new data sources. Big data is the foundation of numerous emerging technologies that have applications in a variety of sectors, including banking, financial services, government, media, healthcare, and transportation. Large amounts of low-density and unstructured data can be processed using big data solutions, which is highly useful for processing data with unknown value, such as Twitter feeds, click streams, or output from sensor-enabled equipment. Another crucial aspect of big data that enables smart devices to function in real time or very close to real time is the speed or rate at which the data is received, analyzed, and acted upon. So here is the end of this interesting video. Did you like it? Give your valuable feedback in our comment section and remember to subscribe to our channel.